day 6 of trip. We've just checked out of our accommodation. We're approaching the bus station from where we're going to Podgorica. Look at this pathway. It's super narrow. This is the bus station in Budva. In roughly 2 hours we will be in Podgorica. But yeah, let's go inside, let's find out how it works, whether we have to pay the bus station fee. Yep, also over here we had to pay the bus station fee, this time €2. Okay, this time we're going by a bigger bus. That was our bus, and yeah, after roughly 1.5 hours, Dobrodošli Podgorica. Welcome to Podgorica. It was very hot in the bus. Right now we will go to the accommodation, and after that we'll go to the city center to see something. Okay, it's roughly 1:45 and we've already checked in. This is the room, or I could say a big flat. So there's like one bedroom. There's another bedroom, all with like double beds. There's a big bathroom, a big living room. There's a kitchen. We're on the 6th floor, so the view is like this, very nice. Pause the video, try to guess the price. Lock in your guess, and it's €34 for one night. So for one person it's €17. And the best thing is that this flat sleeps 6 people. So if it's like full 6 people, each has to pay only €8 per night. Okay, figure it out. The apartment is super nice. Right now we're going to eat something. We'll try out this restaurant, which is called Podvolat. And yep, I'll tell you how it is, how it tastes. I got breaded chicken, my friend got cevapi. Altogether we paid around €25. Yep, the food was good. The central area of Podgorica seemed a bit old to me. It's like old communist buildings and stuff. However, there's also something new being built. This is a bit outside of Podgorica. I mean, Podgorica is not big, so you can walk from one side to the other. There's still snow on those mountains right over there. And down here it's roughly 23 degrees Celsius. That's really nice. So yeah, we visited the shopping center, bought some groceries. We'll probably just go and see something from the old town. This is the Millennium Bridge on our way to the downtown. There's like also this nice bridge for pedestrians. There's like a concert in the park right over there. So we are right now in the city center on the Independence Square. This is how it looks like. As one of the last things we're going to see is the Gorica Park. If you're wondering this is how the view looks like when it's after dark.